Hello to everyone. I'm making this video because I would like to invite you to an event with Shifu Zhou, who's going to come to Italy. It's an event organized by the Nei Qi Gong School in association with the ATS Institute of Arezzo. And it is basically an amazing opportunity, especially for all the European students and people in general who want to meet Shifu Zhou. The event is going to be divided into, let's say, different moments. It's going to last for 2 weeks, and in the beginning, Shifu Zhou is going to give treatments. So if you're watching this video and you are thinking to come because maybe you have an health issue that you have tried to solve with the conventional medical approach for many years, or maybe something that you want to try to fix, trying the therapies with Shifu Zhou could really be a game changer possibility, because even people who had chronic issues for a very long time, after sometimes one treatment with Shifu Zhou, could recover their functionality of the body. I remember one case mentioned by Shifu Costantino Valente of this Italian guy who got vaccinated, and after the vaccination thing, his, I think, left or right arm got paralyzed. And Shifu Zhou was able to fix it in one session. You know, the guy was able to lift his arm without problem. Now the question will be, what kind of treatments could be treated by Shifu Zhou? Well, the answer probably is going to give you an answer of, anything can be done. And to a certain extent it's true, because it's been treating even people with cancer and very serious health issues. This is what usually happens, especially when he travels to Europe or America. Well, America, no, I think he have never been there yet. But when it comes to Europe, or when American people or European people go to China, usually he needs to deal with very difficult issues, because somehow people see the opportunity of working with him as a desperate opportunity, which in many cases might bring actually a resolution. But as he said in one interview, I think with the ATS Institute a few years ago, is not God. So sometimes I get asked, can you assure me 100% that, if I come, things will be fixed? I cannot give you that promise, because, I'm not going to put my face on it, and it's going to be a lie. But I would say that chances are high that things will get for sure better or totally resolved. Sometimes it's just a matter of making more sessions. Usually I would say 3 sessions will be advisable when meeting him. If it is a kind of problem which is more a structural thing, sometimes even with one session, one treatment, things can be fixed. If it is something else, sometimes you need more. And so for sure there will be an improvement. But answering that question for me is not really possible, and he's going to probably say the same, although he knows that he can do something about it. So if you want to have more information about it, send an email to me. I will send you the prices. It's going to be in October in Italy, in Arezzo, in the city of Arezzo, at the ATS Institute, which is this organization we are partnership with. And basically, if you're interested, I can give you the details about the prices and everything. The event is going to be on the last 2 weeks of October, so feel free to reach out. So this is one possibility. More for open to anyone, really. You don't have to be my student to come. Anyone who watches this video or somehow finds out about this information can write me an email to receive more info about the treatment with Shifu Zhou. The other possibility is reserved to the students of the Nei Qi Gong School, which in this case, all my students, which are spread worldwide, they are part of it. And they can come for 3 days, 21st, 22nd and 23rd of October, to receive an energy boost and having the channels opened by Shifu Zhou. This kind of treatment is a great help for the energy practice. That of course needs to be supported by our own practice. It's not just about a magic touch, but of course it's going to speed up the process of our energy growth. Again, if you want to have more information, if you're one of my students, you have my email, you have my WhatsApp number. send me an email. I would prefer this time because I'm passing the details, copy and pasting. So the first emails, to everybody with the details about prices and logistics. And for the rest of it, once you decide to come, I will put you also in touch with the ATS Institute, which are organizing the event here. And you can do your booking, you can choose your dates, when to come. This is more a general thing for the healing treatments, because they will be spread over 2 weeks. But if you get in touch with them, they can book you the session, possibly the day that you need, so you don't need to stay 2 weeks in Italy. You need to stay depending how many treatments you want to do. For my students, this is going to be on the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Even if you cannot make it the whole 3 days, don't worry, even just coming a couple of days, because the event is going to include one Puchi, which is this energy charge, so to speak, from Shifu Zhou, one meditation with Shifu Costantino Valente, Shifu Zhou, where he's going to help us also energetically, and we're going to practice some qigong and the usual questions and answers with the masters. So it's a great opportunity, especially because we are here in Europe. Sometimes it's not that easy to travel to China, so feel free to get in touch if you want to know more about it. In both cases, the number of people allowed, the spots are very limited due to the time that we have. So if you're thinking about this, don't waste too much time, get in touch and reserve your participation as soon as you can.